Today we're going to check out how to incorporate the Gua Sha into your daily regimen. This is a simple routine. We're going to start with clean skin, your favorite serum, a couple of drops of your favorite oil to prevent tugging on your skin. You just want to be able to create a nice slip. Today I'm going to use 12 Beauty's Ideal Moisture and then a couple of drops of Dara's oil. Once your skin is prepped, you're going to take your tool. Go ahead and get both hands involved. You're always going to start with the neck, and for the most part, you're going to hold your tool at a 15 to 20 degree angle. All right? So starting with the neck and starting on one side of the face. I'm just going to pull the flesh down with my left hand. I'm going to start at the base of my neck, and I'm slowly going to move all the way up to the jawline. Once I get to the edge, I'm just going to do a little shimmy. Each stroke that you do in particular areas of your face, make it an odd number of strokes. So we'll say 3 strokes, but for time's sake, we'll do 1 stroke. Side of the neck, not pressing very hard. The lymph line lies right below the skin. And the center of the neck, shimmy. Staying with the appropriate edge for this particular part of my face, I'm going to start by contouring the jawline, center of the chin, pulling all the way out to the side of the ear. Get to the edge, shimmy. Changing the edge, center of the chin, come to the edge, shimmy. Side of the mouth, below the cheekbone. Shimmy. Directly on top of the cheekbone, go ahead and pull the side of your nose, just to be able to really get in there. Shimmy. I'm going to change the size of my Gua Sha, and I'm going to go ahead and go right on the inner corner of my eye. You're going to hold the Gua Sha tool at a 90 degree angle, and you're gently going to press. I'm using my other hand just to keep that skin pulled taut. And then I'm going to pull it all the way out to the temple. 3 strokes here, right below the eyebrow. Stopping at the arch and moving all the way up. Next stroke, right below the eyebrow. Lying it flat, pulling it out to the temple. Once you're done here, starting at the center of the forehead and moving up. Hooking below the eyebrow, all the way up to the hairline. Hooking below the tail of the eyebrow, moving up in a diagonal direction. And lastly, the temple. I've completed one side of my face. I would then begin to customize this ritual by working on fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, rosacea. So stay tuned to our next video to see how to customize your ritual.